Hi everyone, welcome back to another short tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you a iPhone trick. So whenever you connect with the Wi-Fi, your mobile data turns off automatically. So to complete this task, we will use shortcuts. Open the shortcut, then select the automation, and on the right top corner, tap on this plus icon, and here look for Wi-Fi. We will tap on Wi-Fi. On the first when, here we will choose the network. So I will select IT admin, click done. So we will change run after confirmation to run immediately and click next. Now here when Rizwan Khan joins IT admin, we will select set cellular data. By default it's on. We will select off and click done. Now let's test this automation. As you can see now, I'm not connected with the Wi-Fi nor my mobile data is on. First, I will turn on my mobile data and then I will connect with Wi-Fi. As you can see here, as soon I connected to Wi-Fi, the mobile data turns off automatically. So that's it for today's video. See you in the next one.